Want to keep your Straight Talk number when you get a new phone? Here's how. This is called porting, and it's your right. First, back up your old phone's data. Next, ensure your Straight Talk account is active and has no outstanding balance. You'll need your account number, PIN, and the IMEI or MEID of your new phone. Check if your new phone is compatible with Straight Talk's network on their website. You might need a new SIM card, which you can order online. Then, contact Straight Talk through their app, website, or by calling 1-877-430-2355 to start the transfer. The app activation is now the standard and most reliable way to transfer your number. Physical SIMs should be inserted into your new phone, and you can activate through the app or website. If your device supports it, activate your eSIM by scanning the QR code to start service quicker. Your number has been transferred successfully. Once the transfer is initiated and your SIM or eSIM is active, power on your new phone and follow the prompts. Test the number by making a call or sending a text. Transfers now usually take 30 to 60 minutes, especially within Verizon's network. If you encounter issues, Straight Talk's app has an AI chatbot for quick help. Make sure you have strong passwords and two-factor authentication enabled for account security. If there are delays, such as those caused by network outages, contact Straight Talk's customer service via chat or phone. Remember, eSIM activations are generally faster and more efficient than using physical SIM cards. With 5G spreading, make sure to future-proof your transfers.